Kitchen fire safety. Preventing and responding to fires. The kitchen, whether at home or in your business, is one of the most common places for fires to start. Knowing how to prevent kitchen fires and how to respond if one happens can protect your family, employees, customers, and property. First, never leave cooking food unattended. Most kitchen fires begin when someone steps away from the stove or oven. Stay focused and keep a close eye on what you're cooking, whether at home or in a busy kitchen environment. Keep flammable items like dish towels, paper towels, and oven mitts away from the stovetop. Heat and open flames can easily ignite these materials, so always keep your cooking area clear. Use timers to remind yourself when food is cooking, especially if you're simmering or baking something that takes time. This simple step can prevent forgotten food from burning and causing a fire. Make sure your cooking appliances are clean and well maintained. Built-up grease is a common cause of kitchen fires, so regularly clean stoves, ovens, and exhaust fans in your home or business kitchen. For kitchen businesses, it's essential to have regular fire safety training for all staff. Make sure everyone knows how to use fire extinguishers, identify fire hazards, and follow emergency evacuation procedures. Install and maintain commercial-grade fire suppression systems, especially over cooking equipment. Regular inspections ensure these systems are ready when you need them most. Keep your business's fire extinguishers accessible and make sure they are inspected regularly. Know the types you need, like Class K extinguishers for grease fires, and train your team on proper use. If a fire starts in a pan, never try to carry it outside. Instead, turn off the heat and carefully cover the pan with a metal lid or cookie sheet to smother the flames. Avoid using water on grease fires. It can make the fire worse. If the fire grows or you're unable to control it quickly, get everyone out of the home or business and call 911 immediately. Safety always comes first. Regularly check that your smoke detectors and fire alarms are working and have fresh batteries. Early warning gives you valuable time to act in an emergency. At Klinger Insurance Group, we're here to help protect your home or kitchen business from fire and other risks. Call us at 301-428-4935 today to review your insurance coverage and make sure you're fully protected. Keep your home and business safe. Subscribe now and share these trusted tips.